Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay, Bricks to Clicks. Another bedding pallet. Customer returns only cost us 140 bucks, and that was including shipping when you break it all down, because we got 6 pallets of bedding for 840 bucks. So it was a really good purchase, and so far I would say 90% of the bedding is brand new.
Yeah, this sure doesn't look like customer
This
returns.
does not look like customer returns at all.
I'm pretty sure somebody mislabeled this.
Yeah, so this to me looks like Overstock condition. It's never been in the sales floor, never been opened. We're gonna get it open and see what it is.
Definitely benefits us.
Absolutely.
Because we get to buy it for less, right?
Oh yeah, way
Class
less. When it's customer returns, way less. And then make sure too, we got tons of videos online and tons more coming. Make sure to subscribe and share our page. We appreciate it very much. Show us a little bit of love.
Where is the love?
So, looks like these are full queen. Oh, there is a gray one.
Is there?
There's a gray one here.
That's kind of shocking. Actually, yeah, I'm opening the gray one right
Oh, then perfect. I don't need to open this one. Open another one.
now. So we thought it was all black.
From looking at it, it looks like it was all black, but we got 3 grays, whatever that looks like.
I think it's the one we had before.
So the rugby gray.
The rugby gray comfort full queen.
Yeah, and then we looked them up, and the queens were 40 bucks a piece. So $40 on the queen, and then 30 on the twins. But we don't have any queens on this one when we are looking it over.
We don't have any twins, we have queens. Alright, queens.
Yeah, these are all queens.
Yeah.
And here's the black one.
Easy to ship, got their own boxes. All we gotta do is pull it off the shelf and slap a label on it. It's all black.
All black, straight black. It looks like it's reversible. One side's gray and one side's black.
Interesting.
Yeah, so pretty nice there. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16, 24, 25, 26, 27. So for easy math, let's just say 30 times 40. So this is essentially a $1,200 pallet that we paid $140 for. That is crazy when clearly it's not customer returns.
Right.
So if you guys are looking to get into this, I mean, all you gotta do is just Google. There's probably 1,000 different places that you can buy overstock, clearance, discontinued merchandise. I mean, salvage if you're into fixing and repairing merchandise. Customer returns. Then you get into grades of merchandise, A, B, C, D, red merchandise, orange merchandise, green merchandise. There's just so many different stuff out there that you can buy. So, no brainer right there as a quick $1,000 profit. So even if we decide to sell them locally at $10, $15 a piece, you're still making really good money. So we'll get this taken care of. We'll head to the next pallet, which we have one more pallet of bedding, which isn't like this. This one looks like it's gonna be pretty interesting because a lot of it's in boxes.
It's gonna be a lot of randomness.
Yeah, so we'll see. Hopefully some good stuff in that. So we'll be back again. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share. We really appreciate it very much. And that's what we got.
We should go get lunch instead.
Jesus. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. Lunch isn't making dollars. We'll be back.